Hi everyone, welcome to this video. The Constitution of India in its mandate have given considerable importance to education. A number of important provisions which have a direct and indirect bearing on education have been included in the Constitution. These provisions have been made in specific articles of the Constitution. Articles related to education. This is our new topic. Let's see more details about the concept articles related to education. The Constitution of India given importance to women education. Article 15.1 and 15.3 and Article 16.1. It says about education of women. 15.1 it gives the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of sex. And Article 15.3, which states the Constitution empowers the state to make special provisions for women, including their education. And Article 16.1, there should be equality of opportunity for all citizens, men as well as women, in employment or appointment to any office under the state. Article 21A. It's very important. The 86th Constitutional Amendment of 2002 inserted a new article, that is Article 21A, into the Constitution that seeks to provide free and compulsory education of children aged 6 to 14 years age. Article 21A asserts the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age 6 to 14 years in such manner as the state by law may determine. See Article 21A 2002 86ാമത്തെ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷണൽ അമെൻമെന്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് പ്രകാരം ഇന്ത്യയിലുള്ള എല്ലാ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്കും 6 വയസ്സിനും 14 വയസ്സിനും വരെയുള്ള അവരുടെ പ്രൈമറി എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഫ്രീ ആയും കമ്പൽസറി ആയും സ്റ്റേറ്റ് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം നൽകണമെന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. Article 28.1, Article 28.2, Article 28.3. In these provisions give right to religious education, religious worship in education institutions. വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിൽ റിലീജിയസ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷനെയും റിലീജിയസ് വർഷിപ്പും നടത്തുവാനുള്ള അവകാശം നൽകുന്നതാണ് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 28.1, 2 and 3. Article 29 and Article 30. Article 29. Any section of the state citizen residing the territory of India or the part of these having a distinct language, script or culture of its own shall have a right to conserve them. No citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state of receiving aid out of state fund on grounds only of religion, race, caste, language or any other one of them. See, Article 29 which give freedom to the minorities to follow their culture, script and language. And Article 30. All minorities whether based on language or religion shall have a right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice. See Article 350 gives importance to the minorities and which give right to minorities to establish and administer educational institution itself. Next about Article 45, which gave importance to free and compulsory education up to 14 years of age. Article 45 states, the state shall endeavour to provide within a period of 10 years from the commencement of the Constitution for free and compulsory education for all children till they complete the age of 14 years. See, this Article 45 give importance to the child's education. Article 45 of the Directive Principle of State Policy include the most important constitutional provision regarding Indian education, which it deals with the free and compulsory primary education. Article 46. Article 46 of the Constitution dictates that the federal government is responsible for the economic and educational development of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. See, in this Article 46, they give importance to the backward classes of the citizen, the social and economic development of the socially backward classes, and citizen of these category of India give promotion through the Article 46. Article 350A. It shall be the endeavour of every state to provide adequate facilities for instruction in the mother tongue at the primary stage of education to children belonging to linguistic minority group, and the President may issue such direction to any state as he considers necessary or proper for securing the provision of such facilities. See Article 350A. Article 350A, it says about mother tongue, which stress the importance of mother tongue, which give importance to mother tongue. മാതൃഭാഷയ്ക്ക് പ്രാധാന്യം നൽകണം എന്നാണ് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 350A പറയുന്നത്. കുട്ടിയുടെ പ്രൈമറി വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ ഘട്ടത്തിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും മാതൃഭാഷയ്ക്ക് പ്രാധാന്യം നൽകണം എന്ന് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 350A പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. Article 351. It is the special responsibility of the state to develop national language, Hindi, so that it may serve as a medium of instruction for all the elements of the composite culture of India. ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 351 പ്രകാരം ഇന്ത്യയുടെ രാഷ്ട്രഭാഷയായ ഹിന്ദിക്ക് പ്രാധാന്യം നൽകണമെന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു.
The Constitution of India enlisted education into Union List, State List and Concurrent List. So, education is very important in India. The central government and state governments give financial aid to educational developments. These are about the constitutional provisions about the education